Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can enable and use the sketch feature or tool for diagrams and flowcharts on Draw.io. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to a diagram, and you may use the sketch feature, for example, guys, if you're working on a project or diagram, but it's not in its final version yet. So you would like to use it as a sketch, and yeah, for example, to communicate with your co-editors here before making it the final version. So you can use that sketch feature and apply it to basically any element, be it container elements or shapes or use cases in your flowcharts and diagrams. So what you need to do is left click into the given element. Let me go with that use case here. So you got that use case in the middle. It's connections with one external actor, another one, but it's not in the final version. What you'll need to do is click into style here, and under opacity click into sketch, and you will see that the boundary, for example, of the element has changed its appearance. So it looks way more like a sketch now, not like a final version of the diagram. And you can apply this to any other element as well. So what you want to do is, for example, click into the next element, like your external actor, select sketch. Or what you want to do is simply copy the style while having the given element selected, and click into the next element, click into paste, or select even multiple elements and select paste style. And now your entire use case here looks like or resembles a sketch, not a final version of the use case. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.